Through meditation, we connect with the vastness of the universe and realize our oneness with all beings. Expresses the idea that meditation provides a profound opportunity to transcend our individual identity and tap into a deeper sense of interconnectedness with the universe and all living beings. When we engage in meditation, we enter a state of deep stillness and heightened awareness. In this state, we can experience a sense of expansion beyond our individual self and connect with a larger reality. We become attuned to the universal energy that permeates everything, recognizing that we are part of a greater whole. Through this connection, we come to realize that the boundaries between ourselves and others are not as rigid as they may seem. We recognize the shared human experience and the common thread that connects all beings. We understand that our actions and choices ripple through the interconnected web of existence, influencing others and the world around us. This realization brings forth a sense of compassion, empathy, and interconnectedness. We begin to see the inherent worth and interconnectedness of all life forms, fostering a deeper sense of respect, love, and care for others. Meditation acts as a bridge that allows us to go beyond the confines of our ego and limited perception, inviting us to tap into the vastness and interconnectedness of the universe. It reminds us that we are not separate entities, but integral parts of a greater cosmic dance. By cultivating this awareness through meditation, we can navigate life with a greater sense of compassion, understanding, and harmony. We are inspired to live in alignment with the interconnected nature of existence, promoting unity, peace, and well-being for all beings. Ultimately, through meditation, we come to realize that we are not isolated individuals, but interconnected threads woven into the fabric of the universe. We embrace our oneness with all beings and find profound meaning and purpose in contributing to the collective well-being.